Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please do like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing number 145. We start with this box. Looks like we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so 6, a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so 3, and an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this top row then, looks like we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, 2, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 there, so 6, 5. For this box now, looks like we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 9 here, so 4. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here. So 8, 3. To finish out this box then, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box then, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. Got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box, then we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3 and 2. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so 8. 6 here, so 2, 6. And for our last box here, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 8, a 4 there, so 1 and 4. All right, that's it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.